Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make $125 using only 3 trades. So here I'm going to show you how you're going to make $125 using this script. So guys, if you haven't watched my previous video, so go and watch it to learn more about this indicator script. So I found it so profitable. So guys, I needed to share with you for you to look at it. So before we start, subscribe to my channel to get notified when I upload something new. So in my previous video, I had talked about this indicator, the signals it gives you. So you can see in the market, like here, you have these signals. It's telling you to sell. Here also you need to sell. So basically these are the signals you need to be looking. And also it's good if you watch this video till the end so that you may understand how to use this script and what this script is about. So guys, so be a bit patient guys. So like here we have a trade here. So let's you can see this is a buy signals. It's telling us the market wants to go up. So let's try this one. So this is our first trade we are putting here. So guys, watch this video till the end so that you can understand this script. And if you want this script, just leave a comment there and so that you can get this script. So this script you can use it with short time frame, like 1 minute, because you're just predicting the first movement of the candles. So guys, there we have it. That's our first trade. So we are waiting for our second trade so that we can accomplish our daily target. So guys, I'm looking for other trades. Let's look for other trades. Yes, we are looking, still looking guys. I've just won our first trade. Guys, we have won our first trade. So guys, we're still looking for our second trade here. You can see the market, this market, that we can get a signal from this indicator. So guys, you can see here we have a trade. You can see the market wants to go up. I'll explain why I took this trade. So you can see the indicator showed us a sign that the market wants to go up. So let's be patient and wait for the results. So guys, this is our second trade we have won. So you can see basically what we did, we just looked at this. This was a sign of buying. So you can see the market was going down and this was a chance for the market to go up. So we placed the trade for 1 minute and you can see the results. So we won this trade. So guys, so this is our second market. So let's look for our last trade so that we can complete our target. So guys, here we are just looking for our final trade with this indicator. So guys, as you can see, we won our previous trade, and we can see this market is showing us another signal so that we can short this market. So let's be ready. Yeah, so guys, I've placed this trade. So as you can see, the indicator was showing us a sign to sell this market. So guys, if we win this trade, we will accomplish our target. We would have made $125. So let's wait for the results of this trade, guys. So let's wait, let's be patient, guys. So the reason I placed this trade was, as you can see, the market was in the right condition, and you can see the market here, the indicator was showing a very strong signal. So I told you should just look at the signals from the indicators, and the best time to trade this is using the 1 minute chart. So guys, we have accomplished our daily target. So guys, we have made a total of $125 using 3 trades with this script. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video.